Apple is finally bringing the spotlight back to your living room, and this time, it's doing more than just upgrading specs. The upcoming Apple TV 4K 2025 is not another quiet refresh, it's a complete reimagination of what a streaming device can be. For years, the Apple TV sat on shelves as a solid performer, quietly reliable but rarely exciting. It was great for streaming, fast, and well-designed, but it never felt essential. That's about to change in a huge way, because the new model is set to transform your TV into the intelligent heart of your connected home. At the center of this transformation is the powerful A17 Pro chip, the same silicon that powers the iPhone 15 Pro, now re-engineered for the Apple TV. This isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. The A17 Pro delivers over 35 trillion operations per second, giving the Apple TV more neural processing power than any entertainment device before it. What that means for you is an experience that feels alive, adaptive, and personalized. Instead of just streaming content, your Apple TV will think for itself. Imagine saying, "Hey Siri, I'm in the mood for something relaxing," and instantly your TV dims the lights, pulls up your favorite chill playlist, and recommends a movie you have finished last weekend. This is not random, it's context-aware AI that understands you, your habits, and your household rhythms. Apple is calling this evolution Apple Intelligence, its new AI system that spans iPhone, iPad, Mac, and now, for the first time, your TV. With Apple Intelligence, the Apple TV becomes more than a media hub, it becomes an intelligent companion. Siri, now conversational and contextual, can handle layered requests. You don't have to remember titles or use exact phrases anymore. You could simply say, "Play that show about the detective who moves to a small town," and Siri will know you're talking about shrinking asterisk. Even better, the system communicates with your other devices. If you paused a movie on your iPad, your Apple TV will ask if you'd like to continue from where you left off. If your Apple Watch notices you've been sitting for hours, it might suggest stretching or playing a relaxing playlist. It's as if your Apple devices are whispering to each other behind the scenes, all to make your experience smoother, more personal, and surprisingly human. But the Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't only about intelligence, it's about performance. Thanks to the new GPU architecture and Metal FX upscaling, Apple is turning its once modest set-top box into a serious gaming machine. With console-level graphics, real-time ray tracing, and support for up to 120Hz refresh rates, this small device is ready to take on the heavy hitters. Games like Resident Evil Village No Man's Sky and Death Stranding are said to load faster and look sharper than ever. Pair an Xbox or PlayStation controller, and you suddenly have a silent, powerful, and compact console sitting beneath your TV. It's Apple's quiet but confident answer to cloud gaming and traditional consoles. No fans, no lag, just smooth gameplay and instant access. One of the biggest surprises rumored for this release is a built-in camera. Varied references in early DVOS 26 betas suggest Apple may be integrating an ultra-wide camera directly into the device. That would eliminate the need to mount your iPhone on top of your TV for FaceTime calls. Instead, you'd just sit on your couch and start chatting. The camera would automatically frame you, track movement, and even adjust lighting using your HomeKit connected bulbs. Apple may also use this new camera for gesture control. Imagine pausing playback with a simple hand raise or skipping an episode with a swipe in the air. It's a step toward Apple's vision of ambient computing, where your home responds naturally to your presence. Combine that with Vision Pro, and gestures could sync across your physical and virtual environments, making your living space feel more like part of a seamless digital universe. Beyond entertainment, Apple is positioning the new Apple TV as the nerve center of your smart home. The addition of the N1 wireless chip brings together Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and Thread connectivity into one advanced module, delivering faster speeds and rock-solid reliability. Your Apple TV becomes the ultimate HomeKit controller, managing lights, locks, cameras, thermostats, and security systems effortlessly. Say your HomePod detects a strange noise at night, your TV could automatically show a live camera feed. Or if your thermostat senses everyone's asleep, your Apple TV could dim the lights and reduce energy use all automatically. No manual routines required. These are adaptive automations, powered by AI, that evolve with your lifestyle. And with Matter and Thread baked in, your Apple TV becomes the bridge between Apple, Google, and Amazon devices. For the first time, your smart home might finally feel unified instead of divided by ecosystems. The visual experience is getting a major overhaul too. Apple is reportedly introducing support for 8K HDR streaming, Dolby Vision IQ2, and Spatial Audio Gen 2. For anyone with a high-end OLED or mini-LED TV, this means breathtaking detail, stunning contrast, and color precision that adapts in real time to your environment. Dolby Vision IQ2 even uses sensor data from your Apple Watch or iPhone to fine-tune brightness and color balance based on your room's lighting conditions. On the audio side, the new spatial sound engine maps your room's acoustics using AirPod sensors, creating an immersive sound bubble that adjusts dynamically as you move. Whether you're watching a blockbuster or a quiet documentary, the experience becomes deeply cinematic. With HDMI 2.1 support, the Apple TV also ensures smooth playback and ultra-low latency for both gaming and high frame rate streaming. What truly sets this model apart is how it ties everything Apple together. The Apple TV 4K 205 is designed to connect directly with Vision Pro, turning your living room into a virtual theater. You'll be able to expand your TV interface into Vision Pro's infinite canvas, watch 3D content with friends in shared virtual spaces, and sync gestures and eye tracking between the two devices. Your iPhone can act as a secondary camera for better low-light FaceTime calls, your HomePod delivers rich, room-filling audio, your Apple Watch provides environmental cues, and your iPad or MacBook can act as a remote or companion display. It's the ultimate expression of Apple's ecosystem philosophy, every device enhancing the others in a way that feels almost magical. Another rumored addition is Smart Display Mode. When the Apple TV is idle, instead of a screensaver, it transforms into a living dashboard. You'll see widgets showing weather, calendar events, reminders, HomeKit stats, and even a cloud photo memories, all styled in Apple's signature elegant interface. Walk into your living room in the morning, and your TV greets you with your day's schedule and headlines, seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. It's subtle but deeply useful, another way Apple blurs the line between hardware, software, and everyday life. As for timing, insiders expect the Apple TV 4K 205 to debut in the fall, likely between September and October, alongside Apple's next generation of devices, including the M5 Mac lineup. Pricing is rumored to start around $149 for the base model, with higher-end configurations possibly reaching $199 if the built-in camera and expanded storage are included. That's higher than Amazon's Fire TV or Google's Chromecast, but Apple's pitch is different. While others compete on low prices and raw specs, Apple aims to create experiences that last for years, hardware that's not just functional but foundational. You're not buying a gadget. You're investing in the future architecture of your digital life. When you step back, the picture becomes clear. The 2025 Apple TV 4K represents a major shift in how we think about our homes, our entertainment, and our connection to technology. It's faster, smarter, and deeply personal. It knows your preferences, adapts to your habits, and integrates seamlessly with everything around you. From 8K visuals to real-time AI assistance, from console-level gaming to ambient smart home control, this is not just an evolution of the Apple TV, it's a declaration of Apple's vision for the future. For years, the Apple TV has been the quiet black box under your screen. But this fall, that little box might just become the most intelligent device in your home. It's no longer just about streaming your favorite show, it's about creating an environment that feels intuitive, responsive, and alive. The 2025 Apple TV 4K isn't an upgrade, it's the dawn of a new kind of living room, one where intelligence, design, and connection finally come together in perfect harmony.